wanted to show you what I consider a really great basket for the Lectric XP4. This one here is about 13 inches long, 12 inches wide, and the bolt holes almost line up. Well, they do. They line up perfectly to one side. You really don't need the 4 bolts to put it on. It sells for somewhere around $40 on Amazon. All right, now this is the other one I like so much that I decided just to get a new basket. So they both have baskets. And you get this little insert, and you also get a net and a rain bonnet. So what I did was well, let me show you first of all how I mount it. Removed these 2 bolts that come right with the bike, right? Now, I didn't want to scratch the carrier itself up. So what I've got is just this weather stripping, and I got a little Gorilla 2-sided tape. So what I do is I put a little Gorilla tape on each one of these things, and I set it on here, down here. When this gets bolted down, this will protect the basket from scratching the carrier. So let me show you what I do with this. Hold on for a second. The issue I had is that one of the Allen head bolts was in there so tight that the wrench actually stripped the top of it, so you couldn't get it out. So if you have that problem, just take a pair of vice grips and put it on. You have the same problem with the lock. One of the bolts stripped, so I had to just take it out. However, that's another thing I should point out, that if you do get one of the locks, it won't fit on this model, the XP4, the newest model. You won't be able to mount your lock down there. You do have to mount it up above, and you get it nice and tight, and then you're able to loosen it. Now this bolt is actually no good anymore because, as I say, it's stripped out. So all right, so let me turn the camera off and get ready to do some more. I've got the foam strips mounted, and I'm going to put this on so that it's the long way, 13-inch way, holes line up. Now I put these little foam things right at the end, right? And simply take the basket, put it over the holes that are there. Take your 2 screws, you don't need 4. Just take your 2 screws and screw them in. After they're screwed in by hand, you just tighten them back up again with the Allen wrench. And the reason you want to take all 4 out is because this sits right on the metal. And if you left a couple of the screws in, then they would be raised up and it wouldn't sit flush with it. And it is plenty strong enough. As I said, you can lift the bike. I can lift the bike with only two screws in it. It's not an issue with only 2 screws. So there you got yourself a nice basket. And I'm going to be doing a review because these seats that you get with them, they're terrible. This is the comfort seat, but this is a terrible seat. It really hurts. So this one here, I guess it's okay. But I'm going to be putting another video on. I'm expecting a gel seat today from Amazon. So we're going to try that, and I'll do a review on that one. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.